Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is a really quick salad, the Green Goddess salad. I know you've seen the salad dressing throughout the country, and many other countries have it. So we're going to make a simple and quick Green Goddess salad by making our own with 2 steps. So for today's recipe, you're going to need grape tomatoes, sour cream, pistachios. I'm using a spring mix. I'm going to get away from the baby spinach for this one. So a spring mix, red onion, pesto, shaved parmesan, and we have our little mixing bowl where we're going to take the sour cream and the pesto and mix that up. So we're going to put all this aside and we'll do the dressing first. And then after that, it's easy. You just put the spring mix down on the plate. Then you top it with grape tomatoes, some onions, and then throw on some parmesan. Then you're going to throw in the dressing on top. Alright, so we have our little mixing bowl. Take that pesto and throw that in there. So we have the pesto in there. Next thing we're gonna want to do is take sour cream and put it in there, and then we'll mix that up. And then that'll make our homemade Green Goddess dressing. I know, like a lot of other dressings, there's a lot more, but this is a quick and easy 2-step process to make a Green Goddess dressing. Alright, so we have the sour cream in there with the pesto, and you're going to just want to mix this to the sour cream blends into the pesto. And that's how I said before, that's a quick 2-step recipe for Green Goddess salad dressing. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, so there's your really quick Green Goddess salad dressing. Of course, it's not going to be as good as the stuff you find in the supermarket and everything. And then probably with this, we could have made it more in detail. But if you're in a hurry and you really want a quick Green Goddess salad with dressing, only 2 steps: sour cream and pesto. So now all the easy part comes. Really, there's no hard part in the salad. So next we're just going to put the lettuce on the plate or in the bowl, and then we'll just put everything on there. Alright, so you can see that we put that layer of spring mix in. You can see how spring mix is. It has a lot of colors and a lot of different lettuce types. So next we're going to throw on some red onion and some pistachios. Alright, so you can see that we have the red onion on there. Next you're going to want to take some of these pistachios. Just put a couple in the salad, and that'll add a little bit of salt and a hard consistency. So just drop those pistachios in there. And you can see that, so you got the onion and the spring mix in there. It's going to be a really good salad. This only takes 5 minutes. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just slice up some grape tomatoes and throw it on top of that salad. You can see, like I said, we have the spring mix, the red onions, and the pistachios. Alright, so you can see that we have the grape tomatoes on there. Now we're going to take this shaved parmesan. Just start tossing it in there. I'll tell you, this salad would be a good standalone salad where you don't even add dressing. So just throw in, like I said, the shaved parmesan. If you want to cut it up finer, you can. That's all up to you. So that's how you do it with that with the salad. Now let's just put it on the salad dressing. Alright, so we're done with that. We have the salad with the Parmesan on top and that spring mix. And now we have the green goddess. So you're going to just want to throw some of that green goddess on top. And then you're set. That's how you get that 5-minute green goddess salad. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. There's our 5-minute green goddess salad. So you see how I had the salad dressing dubbed on top. And I have some more green goddess dressing on the side. But that's how you make a 5-minute green goddess salad. I'm coming to you today in 4K. I mix it up. Sometimes it's high definition 1080p. Today is 4K for this bright salad. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you'll get premieres when they premiere. You'll get notified when a new upload comes. Because right now I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. And I have a steady schedule. So find me on Facebook at the media page of Dansoy. Or find me on Facebook, Danny Franklin Amateur Cook. And I show a lot of the pictures there. So this is your quick green goddess salad in 4K in 5 minutes. Peace. I love you. See you soon.